of India are captivated by the glamour and creativity of cinema, but many lack the skills needed to step into the industry. The first part of today's session is a masterclass conducted by an experienced actress who has had the chance to observe the film industry very closely. May I now take this opportunity to invite our speaker for this session, an accomplished actress, producer, and educationist, known for her iconic roles in shows like Mahabharat and Bunyad, and films like Khosla Ka Ghosla and Jab We Met. Please put your hands together for Miss Kiran Juneja Sippy. May I now request Srimati Vrunda Manohar Desai, Joint Secretary Films, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, to please join us on stage to felicitate our guest.
Not at all, my pleasure. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This is more precious, and this is the add-on. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us with the felicitation. And now, over to Ms. Kiran Juneja Sippy with a gracious request to commence her masterclass.
Good afternoon, everybody. Or may I say morning still, because it's not 12. This is a very, very exciting moment for me, because I have been coming to IFFI for 10, 12 years and almost every year, and enjoyed the privilege of watching some wonderful films every year. But I did not think I would be standing here today talking to you all who are all film lovers and very, very close to my heart. So, talking about films, it's a passion that drives you all. I think nobody can be in the film line unless he really wants to be. There must be very, very few people here whose parents would say, "Beta, film line mein jaake director ban jao." Am I right? Just tell me how many people here have had that experience that their parents have said, "Go join the film line." Anybody? No? Okay. So that is my experience. So the problem with the film line is that most people think, ये तो ठीक है, पर तुम actually करते क्या? Right? So अगर आप writer हो, अच्छा लिखते हो, लेकिन डॉक्टर हो, इंजीनियर हो, क्या करते हो? तो ये शौक के लिए कर लो, लेकिन कमाई करो, मतलब घर कैसे चलाओगे? You know? Now, to change that perception and to tell parents and educate them and say कि ये एक stable, lucrative, अच्छा profession है, आपके बच्चे को creative success मिलती है, आपका बच्चे फिल्में बनाएगा जो लोग देखेंगे, is a huge change that we all have been trying to make for, I don't know, many years. And the good news is that it is changing. Very slow and steady, but it is changing. I also run an academy, so I know that parents अब आते हैं, they make inquiries in the school, they ask us, क्या पढ़ाते हैं आप, what is the training, what will my child gain out of this, what kind of jobs can he get. So there is an interest that has been generated and parents पूछ रहे हैं. So coming to skill, why is it today they are saying कि पढ़ाई कीजिए? There were areas that my school went to in the fairs, that are educational fairs, और उनसे पूछा गया कि ये क्या होता है? मतलब फिल्म के लिए भी स्कूल है, मतलब 3 साल की डिग्री भी मिल सकती है? ओह अच्छा, तो बताइए इसके बारे में. So still there is a lot of ignorance when it comes to the film industry and skilling and training. which we need to address. Unfortunately, हमारे टाइम में एक FTII था जहाँ पर लोग जाते थे और सिलेक्ट 12 स्टूडेंट्स 14 स्टूडेंट्स सिलेक्ट होते थे एक टॉपिक के लिए. पूरी कंट्री में इतने ही एक्टर ट्रेन होते थे प्रॉपरली. पूरी कंट्री में इतने ही डायरेक्टर्स, इतने ही प्रोड्यूसर्स, इतने ही स्क्रीन राइटर्स. All the rest of us mostly were dependent on our own skills, our own creativity and our own learning, which is not a bad process. It's a wonderful process, but it takes forever. You learn on the job. आपकी प्रोग्रेस स्लो होती है बिकॉज आप धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हो. तो टेक्निकली आप अपने आप को एजुकेट कर रहे हो व्हेन यू आर ऑन द जॉब. टुडे we are so privileged. We have institutes, we have colleges, we have many international colleges also that have come up in tie-ups here, जो कि बच्चों को सिखाते हैं what it is to make a film, whether be it production, direction, screenwriting, VFX, animation. We are leading. Our country is leading today. I mean, we are working internationally all over the world and creating content or generating images or the VFX part of the films, and they're all coming to us. That's only happening because we have trained people here today who are working on this. So my journey began many years ago, and I was not trained at all. मैंने तो छोटा मोटा थिएटर किया था as a child और कुछ कॉलेज में प्लेस किए थे. Then came to Bombay, became a model. तो मॉडलिंग के थ्रू फिर आई वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस टू टेलीविजन. उस वक्त नया नया शुरू हुआ था एंड आई गॉट टू डू वाजना विद शेखर सुमन, विच वॉज मोस्ट पीपल डोंट नो दैट वाज one of my first serials, and because of that I got picked up in Bunyad, and then of course rest is history. But believe me, it was not easy. It was not easy at all because I was not trained. थोड़ा सा कैमरा का मूवमेंट समझ में आ गया था, हाउ टू फेस अ कैमरा. माई ट्रेनिंग वॉज व्हाइल आई मॉडल आई लर्न. सो व्हेन आई फेस द कैमरा एज एन एक्टर, मैं थोड़ा सा आई वॉज पॉलिश्ड, आई वॉज एबल टू डू इट. एंड येट देयर इज सो मच आई हैड टू लर्न अबाउट हाउ टू इमोट. सो आई had the talent, but I did not have the skill. I did not know which is the right way to look into the camera, how low to take my eyes, कि वो बंद नहीं दिखें and yet they are low. These are छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, but you learn them. So today's actors are so privileged, they are able to learn all this, and when they come on the job, they are able to perform immediately. Anybody who hires somebody from an institute today, from any institute, has the privilege of already having someone who's trained and technically trained. But the point is, you cannot create talent. You can hone that talent. So a child comes to you, but he has to be talented. That basic creative instinct, his thoughts, his passion, everything is very important. अगर वो है उसमें, you can hone that talent and you can train him, and he can use his talent and improve on it with technology and with the training. But अगर उसमें talent नहीं है, no amount of training can teach him. So it always has to be a combination of talent and the training, the skill part of it. So I remember when I was shooting Bunyad, there was one scene which required that I'm crying and एक आंसू मेरा गिरता है नीचे, and it was in between two bars. So there's like a grill और उसमें bars हैं, उसके बीच में से I'm looking outside and I'm crying, and that trolley is moving, और मुझे एक point पे जब मुझे cross करती है that bar, that tear has to fall. I think I gave what 30-35 takes because it was not in my control.
Right.
Has to be from there.
No.
Now can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay. It was not in my control. The tear was not in my control. So I would put glycerin, and the trolley would move, और फिर जब मुझे वो क्रॉस करती थी तो ईयर नहीं गिरता था। रीटेक, ट्रॉली वुड मूव, पहले गिर जाता था। रीटेक, ट्रॉली वुड मूव, थोड़ा मैं हिल गई तो बार मेरे फेस पे आ गया। करते करते number of takes I gave, I mean it's unbelievable. Sometimes it's not in your control when you're on the sets because you are dependent on many other things along with your talent and your creativity. But it teaches you patience. It teaches you how to tackle the situation. It teaches you how to overcome it and how to perform and give your best. Patience is the key. आप कुछ भी सीख लीजिए, कितनी भी क्रिएटिविटी हो, कितना भी टैलेंट हो, कितना भी स्किल, अगर आप में पेशेंस नहीं है और अगर आप एक चीज़ को जब तक कि आपके मुताबिक सही नहीं है आप उसको नहीं करेंगे एंड एटीट्यूड तक चल जाएगा तो फिर वो चल ही जाएगा. सो वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग ऑल्सो टू लर्न इन डेप्थ. सिर्फ मोटा मोटा काम मत कीजिए, डीप जाइए, हर चीज़ में डीप चलिए, डीप डाइव. Learn what it is all about and then apply. Learn and apply. तो sometimes parents आते हैं बोलते हैं कि क्या ज़रूरत है, 3 साल बच्चा पढ़ेगा, मतलब क्या पढ़ेगा 3 साल, उसको सीधा डाल देते हैं फिल्म लाइन में, सीख जाएगा 3 साल में. Of course सीख जाएगा 3 साल working in the industry, but then he will always start at the bottom and then he will climb up slowly. सो 3 साल में जो इस बच्चे की जर्नी जहाँ तक पहुँचेगी, अगर वो स्किल्ड है तो स्ट्रेट अवे ही गेट्स अ पोजीशन एंड अ पोस्ट वेयर दे विल पुट अ ट्रेन्ड पर्सन. तो उसने ऑलरेडी 2-3 स्टेप्स क्रॉस कर लिए एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर ही मूव्स अहेड एंड दैट्स हाउ ही सो द जर्नी इज शॉर्टर, क्विकर, and his work productivity is always better.